We're back with another underwater video, and you're not going to want to miss this one.
Alright, our first bait up is the Alabama rig. This thing is an absolute fish catching machine. Today, for whatever reason, they were just jabbing at it and seemed to be more into the camera than anything, so I had to switch it up for a chatterbait. Right out of the gate, I had a couple nice smallies following it, but they didn't eat it. And this pike came up and gave it a nice taste, and then ended up following it for way too long, so I switched it up again. Went to one of my favorite glide baits, and this thing was just like out of control. We couldn't really see it on the camera. The action on it was just too wild. I needed something that was going to trigger the fish to bite, so we switched it up for this guy.
Okay, now let's go underwater with a spinner. Bait fuel. It's just like Frank's Red Hot. I put that shit on everything. Think that looked good? Oh boy, oh boy. That feels like a good one. Oh boy. Oh boy. Now we dance. Just like the issue every time, oh boy. I just don't want to put too much pressure on and lose the camera. That's the biggest thing. Cool, we got a bite on film at least. That's a win right there. Let's see what we got. It's surface back there. See, I don't know what it is. You guys know what it is. I'm guessing a pike. I'm hoping for a bass. It's a surface, but it's probably just a little rinky-dink pike, isn't it? It smelled pretty big though. It felt pretty good. Hey, he's not bad. That's actually a pretty good fish. Don't pull too hard, you jerk. Oh, get up. Oh man. Now all he's got to do is touch some weeds and he can. All he got to do is touch some weeds and he can go. We got her. We got her. Yes, another win on the underwater camera. Alright, hang on one second. Let me get the hooks out of this guy. Hooks just came out. Perfect. There's our fish right there. Nice. Man, I love the underwater camera. It's so cool. Let's go try and get another one. Let's send this guy home. Well, that's a huge win. Every time I come out here, it's like I feel like I'm just sitting here doing nothing, not catching anything. Then I go home and I look at the footage and there's tons of fish on film. So it's always nice to catch one. Oh yeah. Oh, lost them. What was it? Oh man, that was cool. Should we play it back? Play it back! Didn't feel that big, but I don't really know. It's hard to say. What was it? Damn. Fish on! Fish on! Oh, whoa, whoa! This feels really big. Oh, this feels even bigger than the last one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this feels big. This feels big.